Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you fix WhatsApp stickers can't share this file problem. Don't worry, follow my all steps. I hope solve your problem. Now first open your Play Store, search WhatsApp and update your WhatsApp. Finally your WhatsApp is updated. Now go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on only clear cache. Now go back, tap on permission and now allow all permission. Now go back, tap on battery and now select unrestricted. Now open your WhatsApp, tap on sticker icon and finally I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.